Forget eggs. This cheap food builds muscle faster even at 80. Did you know that after 60 you could lose up to 30% of your muscle? That loss makes it harder to climb a few steps or even rise from a chair without effort. It is one of the silent reasons many older adults start to feel weaker every year. And it does not just take away strength, it steals independence and confidence too. But here is the good news. You do not need pricey protein powders or supplements that cost 20 or 30 USD a tub. There are 7 simple foods, all easy to find at any grocery store, that can protect your muscles, keep you strong, and help you move with ease even into your 70s and 80s. And the best part is each one costs less than your morning coffee. I know some of you are thinking you need eggs every day to get enough protein. But what if I told you there are foods cheaper than eggs that work even better for older muscles? And you might already have them sitting in your fridge or pantry right now. Quick question before we dive in. Do you eat eggs almost every morning? Comment yes or nitrogen monoxide below. I would love to know how many of you are in the daily egg habit. And stick with me because food number 5 could be the secret to stopping those painful night cramps you may have been dealing with. Let's start with a food that feels familiar, but often gets overlooked, plain Greek yogurt. Not the flavored kind with added sugar. Just the simple thick yogurt you find in a big tub at the store. 1 cup gives you about 20 grams of protein. That is nearly the same as a 3-ounce piece of chicken breast. But the magic is in the type of protein it carries. Greek yogurt is both whey and casein. Whey moves fast, giving your muscles a quick spark, while casein works slow, feeding your muscles for hours. That balance is especially helpful if you tend to skip meals or eat light, because your body still gets a steady stream of amino acids long after breakfast. Greek yogurt is also loaded with leucine, the amino acid older adults really need to trigger muscle growth. 1 cup has about 2.5 grams, almost hitting the 3-gram sweet spot for keeping muscle strong after 50. On top of that, it has probiotics that keep your gut healthy. And when your gut is healthy, you absorb more of the good stuff from every meal you eat. A large container usually costs $4 to $6 United States dollars and makes about 5 servings. So you are getting a powerful muscle food for around $1 United States dollar per serving. Quick check. Did you know yogurt could compete with chicken? Comment wow if that surprised you. Now let's talk about a food that many people ignore, but could be one of the most powerful allies for your muscles. Sardines. They might not sound exciting, but these small fish are packed with more nutrition than most people realize. A single can, which usually costs around $2 gives you about 23 grams of complete protein. And that is just the beginning. Sardines are one of the richest natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, the same healthy fats known for heart and brain health. But they also play a big role in muscle strength. Omega-3s make your muscles more sensitive to protein, helping your body use it better. And they calm down inflammation that often slows recovery as we age. Sardines also give you vitamin D, something most seniors are low in, and one can covers about 40% of your daily needs. Vitamin D supports muscle contraction and reduces the risk of falls. On top of that, because sardines are canned with their bones, they provide a big dose of calcium for stronger bones and better muscle function. They even deliver CoQ10, an important compound that helps your muscles produce energy. You can find sardines packed in water, olive oil, or even tomato sauce, so you can choose a flavor you enjoy. Be honest, have you ever tried sardines this way? Comment 1 for yes or 2 for nitrogen monoxide. Next up is a food that looks humble but carries a powerful punch for your health: lentils. These tiny legumes are often sold dry in bags that cost less than $2 United States dollars per pound. And they can sit in your pantry for months, ready to cook whenever you need them. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you about 18 grams of protein, which is a strong boost for your muscles. While it is true that lentil protein is not complete on its own, your body is smart. It combines the amino acids you eat from different foods throughout the day, so you still get the full benefit. But protein is only part of the story. Folate helps your body build red blood cells, the cells that carry oxygen to your muscles so they can work and recover. They also provide resistant starch, a special type of carbohydrate that acts like fiber and helps improve insulin sensitivity. This means your muscles can take in protein more effectively. Lentils bring along iron for energy and magnesium for proper muscle contraction, plus a big dose of fiber to keep blood sugar steady. They are quick to cook, usually 20 to 30 minutes, no soaking needed, and 1 pound makes about 6 cups cooked. That works out to about 33 cents per serving. If you have ever enjoyed a warm bowl of lentil soup, comment soup below and let us know. Let's move to a classic food that has been quietly sitting in the dairy aisle for years. Cottage cheese. Many people overlook it, but it is actually one of the best slow-burn proteins you can add to your day. 1 cup of cottage cheese gives you about 25 grams of protein, and most of it is casein, a type of protein that digests slowly and keeps feeding your muscles for hours. This makes it an excellent choice at night, because your body does most of its repair work while you sleep. Having a small bowl before bed can help your muscles recover and stay stronger. Cottage cheese also delivers glutamine, an amino acid that helps protect muscle and support your immune system, both of which tend to weaken with age. The sodium in cottage cheese, which some people worry about, can actually be helpful for older adults because sodium supports hydration and muscle function. On top of that, cottage cheese provides selenium, a mineral that helps keep your thyroid healthy. And your thyroid plays a big role in metabolism and protein use. You can eat cottage cheese in many ways, sweet with fruit, savory with veggies, or even blended into smoothies and dips. A large container usually costs $3 to $4 United States dollars and gives you about 4 servings. Less than $1 United States dollar per serving for a solid 25 grams of protein. Quick question. Do you prefer it sweet or savory? Drop your answer in the comments. Now let's talk about a small snack that can do big things for your muscles: pumpkin seeds. These little green seeds, sometimes called pepitas, are easy to sprinkle on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. And just 1 ounce, about a small handful, gives you 9 grams of protein. But the real strength of pumpkin seeds is in their minerals. They are one of the best natural sources of zinc, and zinc is essential for muscle repair, recovery, and even hormone balance. Low zinc levels, which are common as we age, are directly linked to muscle loss and weakness. Pumpkin seeds also deliver magnesium, and that matters a lot because magnesium helps muscles contract and relax properly. Many older adults struggle with nighttime leg cramps, and those cramps can be a sign of magnesium deficiency. Adding a small handful of pumpkin seeds each day can make a real difference. These seeds are also rich in arginine, an amino acid that boosts blood flow so nutrients reach your muscles faster. On top of that, they contain plant-based omega-3 salve and antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect muscle cells from damage. Pumpkin seeds are satisfying too, making them a smart swap for chips or crackers when you want a crunchy snack. You can buy a bag for just a few USD, and it lasts for many servings. If you have ever had night cramps, type cramp in the comments. Let's see how many of you know the struggle. Now let's shine a light on a grain that is not really a grain at all: quinoa. This tiny seed has become popular in recent years, and for good reason. It is one of the few plant foods that gives you complete protein, with all 9 essential amino acids. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has about 8 grams of protein. And while that may sound modest compared to yogurt or cottage cheese, the real benefit is how it works with your body. Quinoa provides complex carbs that help move protein into your muscles, giving you steady energy and making sure the protein you eat actually gets used where it matters. Quinoa is also rich in lysine, a rare amino acid in plant foods that supports muscle repair and energy production. On top of that, it brings fiber to keep your blood sugar steady and minerals like iron, manganese, and B vitamins that many older adults often fall short on. It cooks in about 15 minutes, just like rice, and can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days, making it easy to prepare ahead of time. A 1-pound bag usually costs $4 to $6 United States dollars and gives you about 6 cups cooked, which comes out to around $1 United States dollar per serving. If you want to keep learning about simple foods like quinoa that can protect your strength and independence, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Finally, let's talk about a tiny seed that packs a serious punch for your muscles: hemp seeds. These little seeds, often called hemp hearts, are soft and nutty in flavor, and they are one of the easiest foods to add to your meals. Just 3 tablespoons give you about 10 grams of complete protein, with all the essential amino acids your body needs. That makes hemp seeds a powerful plant-based option for older adults who want protein that is easy to digest and gentle on the stomach. What makes hemp seeds special is their balance of healthy fats. They have an almost perfect ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, about 3 to 1, which helps control inflammation, something that often gets worse with age and slows down muscle recovery. They also contain a rare fat called GLA that supports hormone balance and reduces age-related inflammation. Along with protein and healthy fats, hemp seeds provide magnesium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that keep your muscles and bones strong. They also contain arginine, which improves blood flow, helping your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients during activity. A pound of hemp seeds usually costs between 10 and 15 United States dollars. But because you only need a few tablespoons at a time, 1 bag lasts many servings. You can sprinkle them on oatmeal, salads, or yogurt in seconds. Quick check. Did you already know hemp seeds are legal and safe to eat? Type SAFE in the comments if you did. Now that we have walked through all 7 foods, let's talk about how to actually bring them into your daily routine. Knowing about these foods is one thing, but using them in real life is where the real change happens. The good news is you do not have to eat all 7 every single day. Just picking 3 or 4 and rotating them through the week can give your muscles the support they need. The key is timing. Your muscles are most ready to use protein within an hour after any activity, even like gardening or a short walk. And they also do a lot of repair work while you sleep. So eating protein before bed makes a difference. A simple breakfast could be 1 cup of Greek yogurt with a small handful of pumpkin seeds and 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds sprinkled on top. That gives you fast and slow proteins, plus magnesium and healthy fats, all in under 2 minutes. For lunch, a bowl of lentil soup with half a cup of quinoa added in gives you protein, fiber, and steady energy that lasts through the afternoon. In the afternoon, try cottage cheese with a handful of pumpkin seeds for a protein-rich snack that also helps reduce cramps. For dinner, sardines on a bed of quinoa with a side of lentils might sound unusual, but it delivers omega-3 south, vitamin D, and iron in one simple meal. Before bed, a half cup of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt topped with hemp seeds feeds your muscles overnight. Quick question: which meal of the day do you find hardest to get enough protein? Comment breakfast, lunch, or dinner below. We have covered 7 simple and affordable foods that can help you stay strong, protect your muscles, and support your independence well into your later years. From Greek yogurt and cottage cheese to sardines, lentils, pumpkin seeds, quinoa, and hemp seeds, each one brings something special that goes far beyond just protein. Together, they offer the right mix of amino acids, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that aging muscles need. Here is the encouraging part: you do not need to overhaul your whole diet overnight. Start small tomorrow morning. Take 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds on top, and add 2 teaspoons of hemp seeds. In less than 2 minutes, and for about $1.50, you have a powerful breakfast that feeds your muscles for hours. Do this 3 or 4 times a week and you will already be giving your body what it needs. Remember, talk to your doctor if you have any health conditions or medications that may affect your diet. Now I would love to hear from you. Which of these 7 foods are you most excited to try first? Comment the number below so we can see what the favorites are. If you found this helpful, hit like and share it with a friend or family member over 60 who could use stronger muscles and more energy. And make sure to subscribe, because in the next video I will share 5 easy morning drinks that can double the power of your protein. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and never forget, consistency beats perfection.